Nobody is telling you this. There are 47 government programs right now paying American homeowners for repairs, upgrades, and improvements, and most people never apply. Not because they do not qualify, because nobody told them where to look. Here is what they are hiding in plain sight. These are not loans, not charity, not scams. This is taxpayer money, set aside specifically for homeowners, like you, just sitting in a local office waiting to be claimed. We are talking about free roof replacements, free HVAC systems, free weatherization upgrades, free lead paint removal, free accessibility ramps, free electrical panel upgrades, free water and sewer repairs, and that is not even half the list. But here is the part that should make you stop and pay attention. Every single one of these programs has a funding window. When it closes, the money is gone, sometimes in weeks, sometimes in days, and it opens back up without any announcement. So the homeowners who win are not the ones who know the most. They are the ones who called first. Here is your one step before anything else. Call 211 tonight. Tell them your address. Tell them you need home repair assistance. They will tell you exactly which of these 47 programs is open in your area right now. Because here is the truth most people find out too late. The money was always there, they just never knew which door to knock on. Now you do. Follow Sirtaintea. I will show you exactly where the door is.